Hello everyone, my name is Gina and welcome to Seasoned Beauties. Our video on today, we will be unboxing our ice cream beauty box. Now, fair warning, this one is from February. I had to reach out to the company because I'd already taken care of the box. However, the box did not get shipped out to me until the 26th of February. Yes, I know today is March the 1st, but nonetheless, it doesn't take away from the goodies that are inside. So, for those of you who are not familiar with this, I will leave all of the information down below so that you can check it out for yourself. And there is a discount code to get money off on your first box. Okay, so let's just jump in. Now, let me just tell you, this is part of a dying breed. Okay, and what am I talking about? The fact that they still include a description card. That to me is fantastic. But it says February, the theme for the month, love always wins. Okay, so our first item that we have is actually by the company Estate Cosmetics, and this one is this item right here, and it says it's the spaced bound highlighter in the name Sonic, and it is, as I said, by Estate Cosmetics. This buttery soft cream formula will melt into your skin for a seamless glow that blends like a dream. For a healthy, dewy glow, lightly dab your fingers onto the area you want to illuminate. For the ultimate glow, apply to your cheekbones, cupid's bow, and tip of your nose, and voila, you're headed for the stars. Okay, and the manufacturer suggested retail price for this item is $12, and this is what it looks like. Okay, according to the packaging, this one is a vegan and cruelty-free product, and it has a 12-month shelf life. Okay, so that one is the first item. Now, y'all know we swatch at the end, don't forget. All right, the second one is by the company Floss Beauty, and it's this one right here, and this one is called ATH Lip Gloss. And as I stated, it's by Floss Beauty. This gloss is not glittery, not sticky, non-grimy. Okay, this is the gloss you'll take with you everywhere. It's hydrating, long-lasting, smooth, and comfortable to wear. Use it alone for a semi-sheer wash of color or on your lipstick for added shine. The manufacturer suggested retail price for this one is $15. Okay, now I'm wearing a matte today, so I'm sure when we do our swatches, we'll check it out and see what it looks like. All right, now that of course is what the packaging looks like. This is what the lip gloss itself looks like. Okay, Floss is a woman-owned company, y'all. All right, and this one has a 12-month shelf life as well, and it says never tested on animals, and it has an opaque finish. All right, I am looking forward to trying this. Now, in addition to that one, this is also a 0.53 ounce size. Okay, so it's rather pretty. I've had products by Floss before, definitely like them. Okay, so that one is item number 2. Moving right along, the next item that we have is actually a 2-in-1. Okay, I've already taken them out of the packaging so you can see it. So I'll show you what the outer packaging looks like. It's just the box now. Okay, but you'll see them in a minute. This is what they come in. The packaging is gold on the outside. They are both cruelty-free products. They both have a 12-month shelf life. Okay, and it's called Blush Plus Blush. How about that? To Go Set by Beau Beauty. By Beau Bay Beauty. Okay, now it says 1 full size and 1 travel size. Okay, so we're set. Blush, the shades will vary. So I'll let you know what I have in just a moment. Applied to the apples of your cheeks, these blushes blend seamlessly, providing a touch of warmth and vibrancy for a flawless finish. Now, the manufacturer suggested retail price for them both is $42, okay? Now, let me show you what the shades look like. The large one is called Coral Blush, and the smaller one is called, Blushing Blush. And that one is kind of like a pinky shade, okay? So that's the packaging. Now, they have a 12-month shelf life, and they are both cruelty-free products, okay? This is what the regular size one looks like. And when we open it, oh my, this is beautiful. I am so ready for this. Now, I will tell you, coral shades look really nice on darker skin tones. They really do. So don't count yourself out. And actually, that means they're great for all shades, okay? So I'm very excited to swatch this one so we can see exactly what it looks like. But it is beautiful, and the packaging is beautiful, okay? Love the fact that it does come with its own mirror. Okay, and as I stated, Coral Blush. All right, now the travel size one, it's in a plastic case. Okay, and this shade is beautiful as well. It is a pinky shade. Okay, and this one is called Blushing Blush. All right, so we'll swatch that one too and see what that's like. All right, now I love that, love that, love that. And we're going to keep moving right along. The next item that we have is by the company Charmacy Global. Their packaging is gorgeous, y'all, okay? And it comes in this package right here. And this is a double-sided duochrome eyeliner. All right, it says, there are 3 color variations of this product. Each one is meant to coordinate with the palette. Oh, that lets you know that we did get a palette in this one. All right, it says in different ways. One end contains a felt tip liner. This end is matte. The other end contains a solid gel liner. Okay. This end contains the duochrome multichrome, okay? They are waterproof and smudge proof on both sides. Oh, I'm excited for this one. Manufacturer suggested retail price for this one is $12. Okay, so let's see. This one is, that packaging is gorgeous. All right, but the print is so tiny, I really can't give you much information on this one. It is a cruelty-free product, and it has an actual expiration date, okay? And it says expires in October of 2026, okay? It's right here on the side of the box, all right? So this is what the packaging, the inside packaging, this is what the product itself looks like, okay? And it says it's Milano. All right, so when we open it, all right, oh, that is gorgeous. All right, I don't know if you can really see it right there or not, okay? But when we swatch, you'll see, oh, that is beautiful. I'm gonna have to hide this from my daughter. Lord have mercy. Daughters, because all of them will be coming for it. And there's the felt tip, okay? So we'll get to swatching in a little bit. We have one more product, all right? And that one is the palette that they were referring to. The name of this palette is Lovesick, and it's by the company Wicked Widow Beauty, all right? So this is what it looks like on the outside, and it says, this sister palette to the Wicked Widow Beauty Graveyard Smash palette and their Tea Time palette. This brand new launch contains 4 duochrome multichromes and 4 mattes, okay? It says the palette is magnetic, so the shades are interchangeable with any Wicked Widow Beauty square pan palette. The shades are highly pigmented and blend like a dream. Complete the collection with their brand new matching Lovesick Lip Trio and Cosmetic Bag. The manufacturer suggested retail price for this one is $36. Okay, now I have the other two as well. So I'm excited to know that I now have the entire set. This one has a 24-month shelf life, and it is a vegan and cruelty-free product. I'm excited. Okay, so let's just go ahead and open it so you can see what it looks like. No! Oh my God. Oh, shoot. It is broken and the shades are mixed all over. Look. Oh boy. Oh, not happy about that. I really wanted to be able to swatch it. I don't know if I can because I'm going to have to contact, well, can't tell one way or the other, but I am going to reach out to the company so that I can let them know. Hopefully they will replace this with a new one, especially since it took so long for this to get here. But the shades in this are absolutely gorgeous. Some of the shades were called Worlds Apart, Love Like Winter, Fall for You, Good Night Moon, Three Last Words, and the one that cracked badly was called Memories. I'll take a picture of the palette itself so I can put it up on the screen. I don't want to do that now because this shadow will go everywhere. But this palette is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Okay, so I'm going to see what I can do. It's time to swatch it. But this isn't something that they could resell if I have to send it back anyway. So I'm going to go ahead and swatch. All right, so here's the palette that I swatched, okay? This one that's on the top right here, this is the one that cracked. This is called Memories. This one is called Good Night Moon. The next one is called Three Last Words. And this one is Letting Go. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and swatch the liner. Okay, palette, and this right here, the liner. The duochrome is on the bottom right here, and this one is the felt tip right there. Okay, let's keep going. This one right here, the travel size one, is gorgeous, but I do have a few blushes that are close in this shade family. Okay, so I won't swatch that one. That one will probably be in a giveaway. All right, so we're gonna go ahead. Boy, this thing is beautiful. All right, so let's go ahead and do this right here. This is the blush. Ooh, that's beautiful. Look at that. That is absolutely beautiful. Okay, and it blends in so well with these other shades. Perfect match, perfect match. Okay, then the next item that we have is the highlighter by Estate. Ooh, look at here. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. All right, last item. And that is the Floss Lip Gloss. All right. Now, I know y'all tell me quite often I'm over the top, but it's okay. It's okay. But what happens is anytime that I have this type of an applicator, I wipe it off every time I use it before I put it back in the tube. I know it causes me to waste product, but I want it to stay the color it came. Ooh, very nice. Very, very nice. And it seems to enhance. It doesn't take over, and it's not sticky. Even on top of a lipstick, it's not sticky. What do you think? What are your thoughts? Did you receive your ice cream beauty box? If you did already, do we have the same ones? I know that we had various shades of the blushes. I could really appreciate the one that I have. These are gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. I do enjoy the other Wicked Widow palettes that I have received, but I really do like this a lot. Love this duochrome. Okay, so let me know your thoughts down below, okay? And consider subscribing. Look, I know I had a little bit of a hiccup this month, okay, but I usually don't have any issue. I did have a mix up a while back about a liner. They immediately took care of it, okay? So I'm going to reach out to them. I'll let you know, give you a follow-up of how that worked out. Okay, now I just want to tell you, I thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today as we unboxed our ice cream beauty box in March for February, okay? These are the items that were included. Down below is the total manufacturer suggested retail price for everything that was included, okay? Now, make sure that you are a part of the Seasoned Beauties family. How do you do that? By subscribing. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Become a part of the Seasoned Beauties family. We'd love to have you, okay? So most importantly, remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.